about friendship. Why we need friends? To be happy, to be friendship with them, and play. If we cannot find friends, then you'll be alone. You'll feel lonely. You must be with the friends, right? As the way in the school you find some friends, that's good. But if you don't have friends in your school, how can you play? How can you be happy? If your friends are not there, how can you be happy? You're going to be lonely if your friends are not there. Nobody will be there if anybody is not there with you. Somebody should be with you, right? And now, the way if we want to see somebody is our friend, we should be very joyed, right? Whenever the friends are coming, we should say hello, because if you say hello, you can meet them. You can be friends with them. You can be anything if you say hello. Why should we take care about friends? Why? Because for a long time you can be friendship. That's why you should take care about friends. Even you're small, even you're big. And respect to the babies and respect to the big people. That is the important thing. We must love our friends and care about my friends. Then they won't like you and be friendship with you. They'll never ever be friendship if you don't care and if you don't love them. We must love. If you want love, you must speak out, like speak anything you want about love and care. Helping friends. When they're in trouble, we should not run away from them. True friends will always be with who is in trouble. Friends, we always need friends. Smile and make more friends.